Happy wedding anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. I love you.
Thank you for everything. Sana po ay i-bless kayo ni Lord ng long life, good health.
And thank you for being a good example for us, para sa aming mga anak.
I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
We love you.
Happy Renewal of Vows Day. I would like to thank you for always having something prepared for me every time it's my vacation. So I hope that you guys stay healthy and strong. Your love is truly enduring.
Congratulations, Mommy and Daddy. Wishing you many more years of happiness together. We love you.
Hello, Mommy and Daddy.
Congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary.
We hope you have a long and happy life together. Thank you for taking care of us.
We love you.
Daddy, Mommy, congratulations po on renewing your vows. Always remember po na mahal namin kayo ng aming family, ng aming pamilya.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Mommy and Daddy.
Yung presence niyo po ay kaligayahan ng buong pamilya niyo po. We love you po, Daddy, Mommy.
We love you so much and we hope you live a happy, long, healthy life together.
This love is, my love is.
Feli, napakabuti niyang housewife. Sabi nga sa pag ikaw ay kakasal, through thick and thin, magkasama kayo. Sa hirap at ginhawa. Yan, talagang hindi niya ako pinabayaan. Kasama ko siya. Sa pagkakasakit ko, nandun din siya. Kaya mapalad ako sa pagkakaroon ng kabiyak na katulad ni Feli.
Mabait kasi siya, tsaka very humble. Hindi mapagmataas. Although hindi masyadong maalalahanin, pero soft-spoken. Hindi rin siya rude, hindi bastos. At disenteng-disente.
Thank you very much. Mahal na mahal kita. Tandaan mo, ikaw lang ang babaeng minahal ko sa aking buhay. I love you, Mommy. I love you so much.
Sa lahat ng nangyari ito sa buhay namin ay nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos. Unang-una, pangalawa sa aking asawa na naging supportive. Salamat talaga sa Diyos. At kay Daddy na mahinahon, never na nanakit ng asawa, never na nagsalita ng masasakit. Lagi nagpapasensya. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. Kaya, maraming salamat sa'yo. I love you, Daddy.
Pen to page we live on. When centuries have come and gone, ooh, my heart span the river wide, 'cause I've got a love that won't run dry.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Mommy.
Congratulations, Mommy and Daddy, on your renewal of vows. We love you so much from your grandchildren, Magella,
Marcus, Gabby,
John.
Mwah!
I love it.